Okay, so we're going to draw an isometric projection view of this block. So what we need to start with is the crow's foot. Now, as we know from class, isometric projection is drawn using a 30-degree set square. So this is our 30-degree set square. I'm just going to minimize this for a moment just so we can have a look at it. So we're going to get 30 degrees on this side of our set square. Or if I turn my, actually if I do this, it should show if I use the top of my set square or t-square, I can use the bottom of my t-square as well. They're just two different set squares to show you I can get 30 degrees going this way, or I can turn it, get 30 degrees going that way. We have several different options open to us. So if we look at our question, we have obviously 125 by 100 by 75. The start question, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a crow's foot. Okay, and at any point on the crow's foot, I'm going to draw another 30-degree line back. Now you'll notice I've drawn this side to be longer than this side. That is just so I'll fit the question on my page. I'm going to draw my elevation width, which is 125 here, and my thickness, which is 75 here. That's why I've allowed more space on the left. Where those 2 points meet, we're going to draw a vertical line. So my heights here, I have 100, and they are 25 each. From each of those points, I'm going to go back at 30 degrees. Lovely. And as you can see, my width here is 125, so we're going to get 125. From those points, we're going to draw vertical lines. And using that, I'm going to just darken in my actual shape. As you can see, I'm drawing my vertical lines first. The only reason for that is to speed up my construction, as I'll have my vertical lines lined up. Next we're going to go my 30-degree lines. Now as we know, my horizontal lines are now at 30 degrees, so technically they're horizontal lines. From each of my points now, I'm going to go back at 30 degrees. These are construction lines, so they can go back for as long as we want. Lovely. Now, if we look at our thickness, we have a thickness here of 75 millimeters. So, yet again, using my compass, I'm going to put 75 onto my compass. And from each point, swing an arc, a nice light arc. Lovely. And we're going to start darkening now another 30 degrees. Sugar, that's gone off slightly. Be careful that your lines don't go off. Okay, now if we look here, I will not see this line or these two lines as they are hidden behind the shape. Okay, so there's my vertical line. And there's my shape drawn in isometric projection.